A very simple definition about cloud accounting. Definitely, it's actually an accounting system, like what we already know, but instead of installed in a personal computer like how we do it, like in old times, whereby you need to use your CDs to install or even thumb drive and whatnot, and it's only accessible from one machine. So cloud accounting is actually leveraging on the internet access and basically store your data in a cloud server, which is somewhere more like in in the remote server instead of your own computer. So that doesn't require you to install any software per se. So this table is just a very simple kind of illustration to show you the differences when it comes to the traditional one, which is mostly on-premise, and then as opposed to the cloud version. Why we want to adopt all these digital solutions, especially on the accounting side? For example, Live Access basically give you a dashboard to view all your important financial information, and of course it will also help you to automate all of financial data, and of course you can get to monitor all your sales, cash flow, which is very important for every business as well. And then of course we can also increase the business profit, which is more like give you a very time-effective solution, giving you more time to focus on what that actually grow your business rather than focusing on doing all this paperwork and all that. And of course, by having all this data in place, you can actually gain the insights. It could be tracking your inventory, it could be tracking your salesperson performance, and so on and so forth, or even it's actually on the cost side of it. So that you can actually kind of like analyze how you can actually make your business better. Now, of course, when it comes to business costs, you can also get to reduce it. And of course, you don't have to worry about all the updates, the upgrades, support, maintenance, and so on and so forth. So there's also another beauty when it comes to the cloud solution to actually kind of like aggregate and also interact so that each system will understand another system rather than you have to pass on the data from here and there and doing all the manual again. Multi-user access actually give you the visibility, give you the control, and also the beauty of the collaboration. So I think okay, so this is basically the dashboard, which basically what I mentioned. You have all the four important figures like cash in hand, cash in bank, how much you actually owe your your supplier, and also how much your customers are actually owing you. And then you kind of like translate all the sales data into some interactive bar chart. In terms of the expenses, we also have some sort of breakdown. So it's pretty much like a simple system for you to actually cater for most of the documents, like for example the sales part, and of course on the purchase side, and then the cash flow side, you will also be able to do your bank record, your fund transfer, and now of course the accounting is actually being it will fully covered for most of the required documents and reports. And of course, we also come with an inventory feature whereby you can actually track all your inventories in and out, stock transfer, BO, and so on and so forth, right? So this is kind of like an interface for you to generate your invoice. Of course, once you print it out, so it will be look like something like this, and you can always customize the invoice whereby you can actually change the color, or even change the logo, or you want to upload some digital signature. Of course, the invoice is also not only meant for you to print out, you can also always share it out through email, or even you want to copy the link and you can just pass it to whatever medium that you like, or you can if you want to have a quick one, you can just share the document to WhatsApp as well, right? So that's how we can actually leverage a system to actually help you to do all this stuff.